This is exactly the right bagger attachment for this Craftsman. This Cub Cadet fits on here perfect. Our old mower is pretty much giving up the ghost, so we went out and bought this new Craftsman, and the Craftsman works great, but I want a bagger attachment and I could not find one. I ordered this one here.
I'm not sure I understand.
Well, I'm not talking to you. And arrived yesterday, but this is not a Craftsman. This is Cub Cadet. It's a triple rear bagger. There's the model number if you guys need to know. This is a 50, I think it's a 50 inch, 54 inch mower deck. So I'm gonna try and assemble this guy and see if it actually fits, but we're hoping. All right, sweating and huffing and puffing a little bit just because it's warm today, but I just put that tube in. This mechanism goes in exactly as the plans. Just follow the plans exactly. Fits in perfect. This tube going into this thing right here. You gotta lube it. I put some Vaseline in here and then it went super nice, but Vaseline. Also, these fasteners right here, when you go to put these guys in, it helps to start each one of these and pre-thread them and then back them out, and then this guy will go in real easy. But first time I tried it, man, it was pretty hard. This is the deflector. But so far, I mean, this is exactly the right bagger attachment for this Craftsman. This Cub Cadet fits on here perfect. It's got this little hook right here. It fits over the top of this guy right here, which comes mounted onto the deck itself. You just thread it down. So that's kind of nice. I have this left to do. Got to bend this in and stick it over the side of that. So yeah, get back to you. All right, this guy right here just threads on. It's reverse threads, and you just roll it around on there until it seats. It's seated in there nicely. Now I'm just gonna pop it on the top of that. So here's how this works. You got to put this one, hook it into that guy right down here, and over the top and put the little nut runner on there. Then this guy just kind of floats up and down here. But if there's a clog, just pull this off, clear the plug, and you should be good. All in all, looks like it's working just fine. Fits on here perfect like it was made for it. Just because it's got a different name. One's Cub Cadet, one's Craftsman. Probably Husqvarna is the same exact thing. But now I gotta see if I can get it into the garage. It's got a little hook there, all put together. Got the deflector there. Comes down, hooks underneath there. This fits all pretty snug. Not sure what this does here. Oh, there, it snaps down. It's got a little snap there. Bows. Okay, just something you gotta get used to. This comes down, just slides over the top of that. Hooks in there, bolts down there, and we are good to go. It fits perfect. I mean, it fits perfect. Cub Cadet. Find it here. There's only a few wrenches I used. I used a 7/16, a 1/2 inch, a 12 millimeter. Just basically a 1/2 inch, and I think that's 5/16. So that's all I needed, tools wise. Triple bagger model 19B 300 18 100. So there you go. This was just in case it had a different stamped mower deck, but it worked fine without this one. So yeah, it would have gone over here, and it takes up this spot right here. But I didn't need it. It worked. This one fit perfectly on there. I mean, it's made for this machine. Yeah, so it doesn't fit. That sucks. I got my header up there and everything. I'm gonna have to get a different header. Come over to here. What a bummer. Thing's just too wide. I don't want to have to take it off every time. That's too bad. Man, it just barely fits there. We're gonna put a barn door on here anyway, so.